Hey guys, today we're gonna take a look at two websites that have apps as well that just kind of spiked my interest, and I thought, okay, maybe they're too interesting not to share them with you. These are kind of passive income apps that you sell your extra bandwidth. And before we continue, this only works if you have unlimited internet, whether it's in your phone or your computer. One of them doesn't work on the phone, so we gotta work with what we gotta work, and let's begin. Now, first one is Honeygain. I signed up with someone else's referral link, and as you see, I got $5 already. Now I have to install the app and start sharing the internet. Let's do just that really quick. I'm gonna download it for Windows. After it's downloaded, we will have to sign in with the same account that we created here. And yes, I will leave a referral link for both of them on the description below. So for Honeygain, when you sign up with my link, you will get a $5 starting gift, and then you can share your link or you can share mine. That's up to you, for other people to gain $5 when they actually sign up with those links. And in this video, I'm just gonna go through on how to even install them and how they work. And maybe in a month or less, I will make probably an update video to share with you how much did I even make from these two websites. And yes, I will be running both these sites on my computers. I will dedicate one of the laptops to run 24/7 for the duration of this test, and we'll share with you guys the earnings. So far, I'm hearing pretty good things from other people that are already doing it, and don't expect millions of dollars. That's just not gonna happen. There are reports that some people are making up to even 1,000 or 2,000 a month, but realistically, in what I see with just regular internet, one connection at home, you are looking at probably even $15, $50, $150, depends how many connections you have at home. And yes, you can create extra connections with your phones to your computer. And here's our app that we authorized. And in this app now, we will just let it run, I guess. That's how it is supposed to work. And gathering 0 bytes right now because we just started it. And here you click for the dashboard statistics, and here is where you will see, as you see here, first step, that how many bytes, kilobytes, and gigabytes will actually be sold. Sometimes it takes a minute to do its own thing, and I am sharing here. Honeygain is right here, and I will leave the apps running for a while, and we'll see. Here you have a jump task if you want to get extra earnings on this whole thing here, and you will see these numbers go up by day, and it will take you to next level and see how much you can earn based on how many gigabytes and megabytes you will sell. Jump Task is a different company here that they suggest you can start and do all that. I'm not gonna do this one. I will report a next video regarding this app and the other one only based on these two alone. Now, the next one is PacketStream. You download, you go after you sign up. I will leave a link to sign up on this one too. Now, I'm not sure how much their bonus is. Let me just check with you guys. And for a limited time, so share PacketStream with friends, and you'll be credited 20% of the points they earn. That means the company will give me the credit points. I don't take them from you. This URL will be down in the description, and you can go check it out yourself. And as I said, please make sure you have unlimited internet. Otherwise, this does not make sense. And you just click the app, download it. I already have it downloaded. And I'm going to minimize this one here. It's right here. You click on it. It started, and in my case, it says non-residential IPs are currently unsupported, so that is why I will connect it to my other laptop to see how far can we go, because even though my IP is residential, it says non-residential because of my security layers that I use, and it shows up as commercial to them. Even though I tested this one here, and I sold 472 kilobytes so far. We will see how much we'll sell in the coming days and weeks, and I will report back to you guys. And as I said, both links will be down in the description below, and you guys can take a look yourself, and please leave on comments below, what do you think about that? If it worked for you, and see if you could sell any extra data that you have from your unlimited connection, and let's all talk about it. That's all I can say for today on this video, just to bring them to your attention. These apps have been around for quite a while, and we will see you next time. Bye!